Apple may want you to focus on the iPhone 17 or the much-hyped iPhone Air, but the truth is these latest devices represent some of Apple's weakest work yet. Many users even argue that the iPhone 16 remains a more sensible purchase. At the same time, a new contender is drawing global attention, the Tesla Pi phone. Unlike Apple's stagnant upgrades, this device promises to transform the way people think about what a smartphone should be. From its futuristic design and satellite connectivity to its battery longevity and pricing, the Tesla Pi looks set to surpass the iPhone 17 in almost every way. Even more surprising, the 256GB model is expected to start at just $789, which is dramatically lower than Apple's premium pricing. But the real bombshell lies in what Elon Musk has promised early adopters: lifetime free internet access. That single move could disrupt the entire smartphone market and force Apple to rethink its long-standing strategy. Although the Pi phone has not yet launched, Tesla has confirmed that it will officially debut in the United States early next year, followed by international expansion in February. Originally, the company had planned a 2027 release, but Apple's struggles and what Musk has described as unfair policies led Tesla to accelerate the timeline. Production will take place at the Giga Texas facility, where Tesla can cut costs through in-house component optimization. This has allowed the company to set the price of the base Pi phone at $789, an amount that significantly undercuts Apple and Samsung while offering far more ambitious features. The most shocking leaks suggest that Tesla is not only releasing a foldable phone, but also embedding Starlink satellite connectivity directly into the device. This gives buyers free lifetime internet access, a perk no other smartphone maker has dared to offer. When it comes to design, Musk is not content with copying existing smartphones. Instead of repeating the flat slab design Apple continues to refine, Tesla has chosen a foldable approach. The Pi phone is described as ultra-thin, lightweight, yet remarkably durable. When folded, it measures just 0.35 inches thick, and when unfolded, a mere 0.17 inches, while weighing only 7.58 ounces. Its flex hinge is a standout, built with a multi-rail, water-drop structure that minimizes creases and boosts durability. The frame is made from aluminum alloy reinforced with grade 6 titanium, while the back is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The front features Gorilla Glass ceramic with an extra-thick ultra-thin glass layer for scratch and impact resistance. The display itself is an 8.0-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2600 nits, ensuring a vivid and silky smooth experience. This kind of design puts Tesla directly in competition with Samsung and Google, both of which have invested heavily in foldables, while Apple has yet to release a single foldable device. Foldable phones have long been admired for their fashionable looks and their ability to stand out from traditional slabs. They appeal to users who want style and utility combined, offering durability while allowing for self-expression. Tesla's choice of titanium construction underscores its focus on longevity rather than short-lived trends. Apple, in contrast, has recently received criticism for switching back to aluminum bodies on the iPhone 17, which has proven softer and more prone to scratches. Even models like the iPhone Air, which use a titanium frame, are still showing wear issues. Social media is full of images of scratched iPhone 17 Pro backs, reinforcing the sense that Apple's latest lineup is one of its weakest. By contrast, Tesla's titanium body, processed at Giga Texas with proprietary hardening techniques, aims to offer a level of durability unmatched by current smartphones. If Apple introduced titanium to phones, Tesla is pushing the material to a higher level. Price is another battleground. During Tesla's Q2 earnings call, Musk confirmed that the Pi phone would be available at all Tesla stores starting March, priced from $789 for the 256GB version and topping out at only $1,199 for the highest tier. This puts it well below Apple's pricing, where the iPhone Air starts at $999 and the iPhone 17 Pro Max reaches $1,999. Musk isn't aiming to maximize hardware profit. Instead, his strategy is to use the Pi phone as an entry point into Tesla's broader ecosystem of cars, energy systems, AI, and Starlink. More importantly, each Pi phone purchased at a Tesla store comes bundled with a free lifetime Starlink subscription. Considering that Starlink internet typically costs $120 per month plus hardware fees, this translates to savings of $1,400 to $1,500 a year. Over time, this could save users thousands, making the phone effectively pay for itself while eliminating one of the largest recurring household expenses, internet service. Connectivity isn't limited to Wi-Fi or cellular towers. The Pi phone integrates a custom chip that allows it to link directly with Starlink satellites orbiting 550 kilometers above Earth. This means internet access won't just be limited to cities or places with 5G towers. Users could be online in deserts, mountains, remote islands, or even mid-flight, enjoying uninterrupted streaming or video calls. In countries where internet access is unreliable or expensive, this could be revolutionary. Instead of paying thousands of dollars over a few years, Pi phone owners will enjoy permanent connectivity without bills. This single feature is poised to attract millions of users, much like Tesla's affordable Model 3 car triggered massive global demand. Another area where Tesla aims to outshine Apple is in battery performance. iPhone users have long complained about fast-draining batteries, often needing to charge their devices daily or even twice a day. Tesla, drawing on its years of experience in electric vehicle battery technology, has equipped the Pi phone with a 6,897 mAh battery. In comparison, the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a 5,188 mAh capacity, and the iPhone Air just 3,100 mAh. Early reports suggest the Pi phone can last up to 3 days on a single charge, compared to 2 for the 17 Pro Max and less than 1 for the Air. Tesla is also exploring aluminum-ion battery technology, which offers higher energy density, better safety, and slower degradation over time compared to lithium-ion. Charging is designed intelligently, 10% to 80% in about 30 to 45 minutes, balancing speed with longevity, unlike other brands that sacrifice lifespan for ultra-fast charging. Photography has always been Apple's strongest selling point, but Tesla is not ignoring this area. Reports suggest the Pi phone includes 5 48-megapixel rear cameras with 10x optical zoom, supported by AI-powered software that enhances lighting, sharpness, and even removes unwanted objects. Video may support up to 8K at 60 frames per second with advanced stabilization, creating results that rival professional cameras. Perhaps the most daring move of all is Tesla's new operating system, XOS. Unlike iOS or Android, which are built around ecosystems that monetize user data, XOS is based on Linux and has been almost entirely rewritten by Tesla. It processes data locally rather than feeding it into advertising systems, learning user behavior privately to deliver true personalization. More importantly, XOS integrates seamlessly with Tesla's ecosystem. While the iPhone primarily connects to Apple products like MacBooks or AirPods, the Pi phone can control a Tesla car, manage home solar panels, or sync with the Optimus robot. Combined with Starlink and Grok AI, it becomes the ultimate command hub for the Tesla universe. This vision represents a direct challenge to the dominance of iOS and Android, which have shaped digital habits for billions of people. Breaking into that duopoly will not be easy. Apple users rely on iMessage, FaceTime, and iCloud, while Android users depend on Google Play's app ecosystem. For Tesla to succeed, it must overcome the inertia of those deeply ingrained habits. Yet with its aggressive pricing, free lifetime internet, durable titanium build, foldable design, advanced battery technology, and integration across Tesla's products, the Pi phone is more than just another smartphone. It's a potential industry disruptor. Ultimately, while Apple's iPhone 17 series fails to deliver meaningful innovation and charges sky-high prices, Tesla's Pi phone offers a radically different value proposition. It's a device built not only to challenge the iPhone, but to redefine what a smartphone can be. The decision for consumers will not simply be about choosing a phone, it will be about choosing between an aging model of corporate profit and a bold new vision of integrated technology.